Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be decorating a home in The Sims. I know, it's been a hot minute since I've done one of these, and I'm really excited. We're remodeling this. I mean, it's a big house. It's a big house in The Sims. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see from the overhead shot, it's a weird layout. It has like a massive living room and dining room and a grand entrance, and then the kitchen is this tiny little box in the back left corner, and I was like, no, that's not gonna work. So I decided just to knock all the walls down and rebuild the internal structure of it. I even added a extension at the back, as you can see here. Yeah, I really liked the idea of adding a contemporary kind of twist to it, so I wanted to put, like, you know, big doors at the back looking out into the garden, so you get that whole walkway of just light, and I just thought that would look beautiful, and it does. And yeah, so then I decided obviously the floor needs to change, and because I was doing a whole open plan layout, I wanted to keep the floor the same throughout the whole space, and just kind of differentiate the spaces with the different furniture, and, you know, just so you know what the purpose of each space is. As you can see, I've just added like dining space and like a little seating area. Now the dining space changes, I put in a bigger table. The kitchen actually took me a long time to do, because I just could not figure out the correct layout, and I didn't want it to overtake the whole house either. So, you know, I had like this. It's cool, like, I mean, it's very simple, but like I just wasn't, like, you know, feeling it. Like, it looks gorgeous, like, you know, not this side part where the like little chairs are, the middle part where the window is. I thought, like, that's a cool sleek island, very simple. But then with the purpose of The Sims, like, you know, trying to fit a sink and everything in would just be impossible on that. Like, in real life you'd have something very sleek. Like, have you seen Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's their bathroom? They have these like massive slabs in the bathroom that have, like, you know, the sinks like built into them. It's like really cool. So that's probably what, you know, I would do if it was like real life, but it's not, so with The Sims, so we just have to work with it. But yeah, love these chairs. Now, the whole motivation behind filming this is because this creator released this new kind of pack with all different kitchen items, and as you know from past two videos I've done of this where I decorate in The Sims, the kitchens have been very similar, like the same style, and when I seen the new release of this kitchen pack, I was like, okay, here's a perfect opportunity to decorate in The Sims, so, you know, I had to do it. This little the living room over here, I was trying to create a space that's, like, you know, cozy and to itself, but these all changed. Like, I go with more color because I just was like, you know, okay, it's looking very flat, it's looking very grey, it's looking very dull. I was trying to find something to add, like, pop of, like, you know, color or texture. So I seen that cool texture that comes on the kitchen island. I was like, yeah, that's cool. So I put that in, and I changed it again because it was too much, and I just wasn't liking it, to be honest. Yes, it's a lot of going back and forth with this, changing it up, changing it out, adding new things in. I love these lights. They actually changed again, even though I'm kind of sad they did. It's because the game crashed and I had to redecorate it all again, and I forgot which lights I originally put in there, so I added different ones. Oh, as you can see here, look at that gorgeousness. I love the, like, brand new red couch. I love the, like, blue chairs beside it. I love the soft blue walls. I just love that color scheme. I think it's really cute. And just adding in some lighting now here. That's gonna be, this is actually my favorite area of the house. I just love that there's a designated kind of coffee area with, like, a fruit bowl and everything. I really love that. And I added some art. Like, I just love this. It's just so simple, but, like, it works so well. And not to my own home, but I think that entryway is a lot nicer than the previous one. I like the kind of angled staircase. I think it's a lot more interesting when you walk in. And here we go, we change these chairs. Yeah, because I just didn't like the kind of, I like the four of them kind of facing all each other, like it's a nice conversation area, you know, if you're having your morning coffee or whatever. But then I was like, I don't know, I just wanted to add something more, and I also wanted to kind of tie in this side with the other side, so I added in that red chair there, just so it kind of picks up on the red of the other chair over the other side in the living room, just to create unity in the space. Love that rug. I thought this rug worked perfectly in that area. I think I changed it again because it didn't really go with the whole house altogether. So I think I changed it, but we'll see. I love the dining room. Like, I just think it's so nice. I think I add a mirror to this wall, because I was going back and forth with these prints and I just didn't like how spread out they were. It just wasn't creating that, you know, enclosure in the dining space that I was looking for. And a side note, love that rug, love the zebra print. I love how it's kind of faded at one side and it has like stronger parts, and love it. Yeah, see, the round mirror just creates, like, it reflects the chandelier that hangs down, and it's just, yeah, it just works perfectly. I love it so much. Yeah, love the plant that's in the middle of the coffee table. As you can see here, it's all starting to come together now. Added in some mugs, some plates, some bowls, you know, just for extra storage, some martini glasses, because, you know, or wine glasses, because that's also a necessity. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of my design. Did you like it as much as I did? I love it. I think it looks really good. It's fun, it's fresh, it's definitely an upgrade from what was there. I just think the flow is a lot nicer. I love when you go into the entryway. Onto your left there's like a little seating area. To your right you can go through into the living room. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.